Hello everyone. In this particular video I am going to show you how can we make professional course subtitle for Udemy. This would help in ranking. Course subtitle also affect our ranking in Google or Udemy search, so we have to take it seriously. As you can see on screen, I have already created my course subtitle, which is looking so professional and engaging. You can see here I am using some catchy word like Filmora 12 course 2023. This is my primary keyword, and also here I am using the step-by-step guide to becoming a video editing pro. It is looking more engaging and it will help people to join our course. You can make such interesting and engaging course subtitle manually or with the help of ChatGPT. So let's use ChatGPT to save our time. So let's go on ChatGPT, and here we have already asked it to make SEO friendly course title. Now we can type here make course subtitle on the basis of above. I am typing here on the basis of above because ChatGPT having some memory. ChatGPT already knows that what we have searched previously, so ChatGPT gives answer on the basis of our previous search. So let's hit the enter button. And here we have some professional course subtitle. If you will use it, you will rank on Google. If you don't want to use ChatGPT to make course subtitle, then you have to type your primary keyword at the first place of course subtitle. You have to type here. And after that, and also you don't have to do keyword stuffing. Keyword stuffing means you are using keyword too much time, which is looking spammy. You don't have to spam your keyword on course subtitle. And here you can see I have added some extra part. Filmora 12 and 11 complete tutorial. So you have to fill it till the end. I will personally suggest you to use ChatGPT to make SEO friendly subtitle. You have to apply your SEO technique here. ChatGPT don't know much more about SEO, but you have learned in our previous video. So you have to guide ChatGPT while making any keyword or title. You have to apply your concept here. Like you can suggest him make Filmora subtitle course, use main keyword at the starting. So you can guide ChatGPT, and you can see that our main keyword is at the first position. So this is how you can make professional course subtitle. Thank you for joining my course.